Welcome back to another video where today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of the CIGMAN CM S02 laser level. So recently I was just sent this new laser level tryout from CIGMAN, which is awesome because I've got a pretty big tile job I'm going to be doing at work in the next few weeks. So this will be a great time for me to test this laser level out, but I figured I would do an unboxing right now to kind of show everyone what is inside of this laser level here. So the laser level comes in a nice nylon carrying case. It's got a hard shell on the bottom here, which is awesome. So the first look of this laser level here, the carrying case is like substantially better than some of the ones that I've seen and personally dealt with. So inside, it's pretty straightforward. You've got your laser. It comes with two batteries. Looks like we've got a owner's manual here for it, a USB-C charger. You've got a remote, which is awesome. So sometimes I find with the laser levels when you're making the adjustment, turning it on and off, the laser bounces, so you tend to get small micro adjustments where you come out of level. You've also got a mounting guide here for the laser as well as an adjustment guide. You've got the main mount for the laser here, which is packaged nice and tight inside this carrying case. So this is where you'll attach the laser level to, and you can use that guide that we have here. It's magnetic, so you can actually mount this if you're doing something like steel studs. This is awesome for that. It also does come with a small micro adjustment stand here, which is pretty sweet. And the laser level. So the other laser that I have is a Hupar, and size-wise, it's very similar in comparison. This one is, I would say, lighter than what the Hupar is that I'm using right now. So let's throw in a battery and we'll see how it feels. So to insert the battery here, it looks like we're just popping open the bottom here. It's going to go in, it's the shape of a D, and there's three prongs here that it's going to connect to. So that's in just like that now. So similar to the other laser I have, it looks like you're able to turn this on in two ways. So you've got the laser lock here, which will stop the laser from allowing the beam to move around. So you can quick set, turn it on this way, and it's going to turn it on in the unlocked mode. Or using the top middle control button here, we can hold it on and it's going to turn you on, but you're in a lock mode. So when you move the laser around, it's not going to come out of its level setting because it is locked right now. So looking at this here, you've got your horizontal and your vertical lines here. So we're going to shut off our horizontals here, and we've just got our vertical up. So we're going to turn back on the horizontals here and the vertical. We're going to open this in the unlock position right now. So a real cool feature of this laser level that my other one doesn't have actually is a set screen here that will show you if you're actually level when you've set this up on the stand. So this is going to show you the different degrees that you're coming in and out. So you can see, because I'm set up on an angle here, I'm not going to be towards the bottom, and my vertical is 47.5 degrees with my horizontal being at 10.8 on the lean that I'm on right now. So like I had mentioned for the unboxing, this does actually come with a remote here too, but it doesn't look like the remote allows you to turn the device on and off on its own. You'll still have to use the manual button here or the level setting, but you can rotate here through the horizontal and vertical lines. And another cool option with the remote is actually adjusting the brightness of your lines here. So let's set this up where we've got all our lines on. and we can adjust the brightness here so you can see the level starting to dim, and it goes into a flash mode, and we're set back to the current max brightness here. So this laser, compared to the one I'm currently using, is a 3 to 4 line. So my existing laser is a 3 line. So it just has the top side in front, where this one has the top side in front, but also has an additional line on the bottom here, which gives you the 2 cross lines, which is great if you're setting tiles that are around 10 to 12 inches. This allows you to do adjustments that way to get a double line set for the top and bottom. So with my other laser, on the bottom, the standard platform actually removes, and then you can set up the screw down option, where this one, the platform here on the bottom is stationary because it's hiding that fourth laser here for you. But it has the standard tripod attachment here in the bottom, again, to allow you to connect here to the adjusting plate, or you can set this directly on a tripod, or like I use a telescopic pole. I'm really excited to use this small adjustments for micro adjustments here, which is awesome because sometimes trying to set this up and use it on the main adjustment pole here or on the telescopic pole, you kind of fall in between some of the micro adjustments. So if you really just need to come up that little bit of a quarter or something when you're on the platform, you can just slowly start to increase that and bring yourself right to where you need to be. Another big advantage I'm going to say so far with this one compared to my other one is the rechargeable batteries. So having this actually operate off of 2 rechargeable batteries will give you more runtime than what mine is, where it's a standard USB-C plug-in and the battery is internal to the device. So my overall first impressions for this laser is definitely high. So I'm excited to actually get some hands-on use with this with the tile job I have coming up because of the additional line here and the rechargeable batteries. I think this one will be more suitable for what I do compared to my other laser. So what I'm going to do is give this some hands-on testing, and then after doing the tile job that I'm going to be completing soon, I'm going to actually do a comparison video for this laser compared to the HuPar that I'm using on a daily basis, and we're going to see what the differences are, and I'm going to see which one I kind of actually like better. So this has just been a quick unboxing and review of what comes in the packaging for the CIGMAN CM S02 laser level. So if you have any questions about this laser level, leave me a comment, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the comparison video I'll be making. Thanks for watching.